All of this fits into this. This is my minimalist travel electronics bag that keeps all of my devices powered up on the go, whether I'm traveling in the United States or anywhere in the world. So let's get started with what is in this bag. Most of us on our travel adventures are looking to keep all of our electronics powered, but yet we don't want to be weighed down with a lot of equipment. I mean, it's already hard enough to carry a computer, a tablet, a phone, maybe headsets, earphones, camera equipment, and things like that. So I try to make this bag as streamlined as possible, but yet going along with the adage of two is one and one is none, having some slim duplicates in here that are going to help me in case something breaks during my travel adventure. I don't know about you, but I've had that happen to me where I got to the airport and I went to charge and all of a sudden nothing was charging. I tried different outlets, it still won't charge, and finding out that something's broken and that I need to have go out and buy at a store some new cord, some new adapter, some new battery that's going to cost me a fortune at the airport. But let's go through what I have in here and show you what I take to make sure I can stay powered through my whole adventure. This bag is a great bag to have. It has a handle here, so if you want to carry it on your hand like this, it has a handle here, so you can hook it with your hero clip or something onto your seat pocket in front of you so you can have access to everything. And it's nice and slim and compact, but let's get into what's in this bag. All right, let's give you a bird's eye view of what this looks like. As you can see, it's packed, but also compact. Number one thing I have is my battery. This is so important for me to have because it's going to allow me to charge and use my phone on the go. This is magnetic, so it'll magnetically attach to my phone. And this way I can still use my phone and get power. It also comes with a great little stand, so I can use this as a stand on the airplane to watch something or to use it to film something. And it has a little thing here so that I can charge my iWatch. I have been on flights that have been long and my watch starts to die. So this way I'm able to charge that. Plus it has a couple of ports here on the bottom so I can actually run a cord out and charge from that. This also acts as my charging stand on my travel adventures. So it's pass-through charging. I'm able to use this as a stand on my travel adventures and charge everything overnight and then pack it up to go on my travel adventures so I have some power. So it's a great multifunctional, multi-purpose battery plus pass-through charging. It's pretty lightweight. It's 10,000 milliamps, and it's one of those things that I just can't travel without is a battery like this. So this is my newest travel favorite for traveling anywhere in the world. This is one of my new travel essentials. This is the Epicka Air 40-watt travel adapter, and it is a must-have, and I will use this in the United States as well as internationally. Epicka is a known brand. It's been written up in Travel and Leisure, Condé Nast Traveler, Wall Street Journal. It's a trusted brand, and there's a reason why, and I use this adapter all the time. I have been using Epicka international travel adapters for a while, and I have to tell you this is my new favorite for a couple of reasons. It is a 5-in-1 charging device. I can plug up to 5 things into this 40-watt adapter and get things charged nicely. So that way I don't have to have a lot of different adapters with me. This is going to save me some space. But it's also their newest, thinnest one. This features a PD 3.2 gallium nitride chip, which means it's going to allow you to charge faster but cooler. This also has a resettable fuse and advanced voltage supply, which means you're going to be able to power safely anywhere in the world, up to 200 countries, and it's also RoHS, CE, and FCC certified, so you can take this even onto cruise ships that sometimes don't allow adapters. This is cruise safe. They're having a Black Friday, Cyber Monday special, so make sure you visit the link in the video description and get yourself one of these. Thin, light, charge anywhere in the world, a must-have in your electronics bag. Of course, I told you 2 is 1 and 1 is none. I'm always going to carry a couple of other adapters with me during my travel adventure. This adapter works in multiple countries as well. However, it doesn't have the chip or anything like that. So it'll get you charged. It's kind of like just a backup, or like for me, whenever I'm traveling, I'm usually plugging a computer in, plugging a tablet in, plugging, camera equipment in, things like that. I'm going to want to have something that will allow me to use multiple plugs in my room. So this is a great one to have. It comes apart and allows you to be able to slide out and charge. You can see here, this will pull out. It'll allow you to charge in different countries so that you can adapt the plug. And while we're on that subject, I just want to let you know there is a difference, folks, between travel adapters and travel converters. Adapters change the plug shape. Converters change the voltage. So whenever you're using anything that I'm showing you here in this bag, they are adapters, meaning if you're going to be using something that is dual voltage, you're fine. For example, these are my dual voltage appliances that I take with me on my travel adventures. They just automatically convert the power from 240 to 120 or 110 so that I can get these things to work properly, but I can still use them domestically here in the United States as well because they'll work off of 110 and work great. If you have these appliances, you do not need a converter and you can work off of any of the adapters that I'm showing you here. But if they are not dual voltage, you will need a converter. And I have a separate video that I'll post right up here that talks about all of that. I carry one more adapter with me, and that's this little one here. This works in Europe and in Asia, and so a lot of times that's where I'm going. So this is something that when I'm out and about on my travel adventures and I just want something small to take along with me, I use that along with this little fold-out plug. It's not very strong. I think it's like 20 watts or something like that, but when I just need to power up on the go, this will allow me to do it. This will just fit into the adapter here, and this will plug in and allow me to be able to charge my phone and any like camera equipment or something that I have with me on the go, but it takes up very little room. It's a folding plug on here. It has USB-A, USB-C, and this is just a great little set that I take with me, like I said, every day on my travel adventures, so I have a way to charge up if I need to, or if, like this, my battery runs out and I want to recharge it, I'll take that, just have that on the go. This 65 watt power adapter is something that I use with my computer. A lot of times I want my computer on a separate plug because I need it to charge pretty quickly. It eats up a lot of power, so I'll use something like this. I love the slim design of this. It will go behind a headboard or some sort of bedside table. It has a fold-out plug. It also has a USB-A and 2 USB-C ports for ease of being able to plug everything in. And I just love the design of this. This is something that I take on all my travel adventures. So this is another great slim design that fits nicely into this little pack. Power cords are another thing that can take up a lot of room. And that means I don't want to take 5 different cords to charge everything all at once. This is my favorite power cord to take. It has USB-A and USB-C ability to plug in to all of these things. It has 4 heads on here. It's going to allow me to charge my iWatch. It's going to allow me to charge my iPad or my computer. It has a micro USB and lightning, so I can charge a multitude of things with one cord. I think this is about 4 feet maybe in length. It's a good length to have, but not too much cord, but it allows me to have pretty much one cord with just several different heads on it and not have like 4 or 5 cords inside of this bag. So this is a great thing to take on your travel adventures to help slim this bag down. The other thing is I use these little gear ties that are nice to just wrap up quickly. You just wrap these up and everything stays nice and tidy. That keeps everything wrapped up in this bag. 2 is 1 and 1 is none, and that means I bring another cord with me so that way if I have several things working off of this, I can also have something working off of this, and this way I can have multiple things charging, or if for some reason a cord breaks, always good to have a backup just in case. Having that extra cord is great to take with you. Or like I said, when I'm on my daily travel adventures and I'm going, out and about, I want to make sure that I can at least charge up my phone or something like that. This might be my little set that I'll just take with me on my daily travel adventures and make sure that I can power up on the go. Talking about cords, this is something that I put in my bag, because how many times have you been on an airplane and you're charging something and you unplug because someone's got to get out of their seat and, go to the bathroom, and now your cord is flopped on the floor and people are stepping all over it. This little thing will hook to your tray table and allow you to keep your cord right there. So even if you pull your tray table up, it's going to keep your cord on your tray table and you don't have to go fishing down on the floor where everybody else's feet and bags and coats and pillows are. It'll keep it all tidy right there on your tray table. You can even use this like at a desk, maybe in your hotel room or Airbnb, to keep your cord up there. So a cord keeper like this always comes with me. This is one thing that is with me on all my travel adventures, and it is a data blocker. For those of you who want to know about juice jacking, which is where they steal your information through a USB, plug, I'll leave a video link up here where I did that video last week. But this is a must-have. It's going to protect you. It only allows the transfer of power, not data. So when you plug this into your device and you plug this into the USB outlet, maybe at an airport or a cafe, it's going to allow you to charge safely without anybody stealing pertinent information off your phone, tablet, or laptop. So this is something that goes with me. I have this in my purse every day. So if I happen to be out in public and I need to charge, I have this with me all the time. And the last thing I have in here is my pen. This is a great pen. It writes upside down. It writes 2 different colors, and it's nice and slim. It's made out of titanium. It's lightweight. You always want to have a pen on your travel adventures because you're always going to be internationally traveling. You're going to be filling out forms on the airplane and things like that. So I always make sure I have a pen with me. Many of these things are on sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Make sure you visit the link in the video description to make sure you get that Epicka super lightweight international travel adapter. You won't be sorry. And remember, folks, travel adventure favors the prepared. Happy travels.